Okay, so this is the first tutorial video that I've done in this channel, so I hope you'll enjoy it, and if so, please subscribe to the channel, smash that like button and so forth. So without wasting any time, let's jump to the video. So first thing that I do is creating a path whereby I'll be drawing my hair, which I've already done here, and then I'm using the hatching technique to create a path whereby I'll be drawing my hair. Let me just fast forward the video so that we don't waste any time here. So basically I won't be taking long in this video, so since it's my first tutorial, I'll be just rushing through it. And yeah, cross hatching, I'll be cross hatching. This is basically the first layer that I'm doing so that I can see where I'll be doing my hair. So yeah, right now I'm moving on to the 8B. I hope you can see it. No, you can. It's Black Math 8B pencil. Yeah, I'm using graphite pencil here, so yeah, even if you are using charcoal, I think is the same. So all I'm doing here is creating some circles so that you can create that texture, hair texture. I hope you understand though. So yeah, that's it. You just create the texture up until you get your desired hair texture, looking at your reference or whatever that you want to achieve. And the other thing to note is that you should determine where the light source is. So for this drawing, the light source was was facing the portrait, so which will make the lighter part to be in the middle and the darker shades to be on the sides. So yeah, that's it. That's basically it. So that's the end of the video. I hope you like it.